Welcome to Computer Code channel. Click the Windows button. Select Paint Program. Right-click the mouse and select Open. It opens MS Paint. Method 2. Double-click on MS Paint shortcut on desktop. It opens MS Paint. You can see the MS Paint full screen. Here, Paint program drawing area size is 1024 by 768 pixels. Press minus symbol to zoom out. Keep zoom value as 50%. We see how to make a vertical gradient color. Select your color under color 1 as shown in a circle. We are taking lavender color. Click Paint Bucket tool. Fill the color in white area. Select another color in color 1 as shown in circle. Here we are taking the dark blue. Draw a diagonal line from one corner to another using line tool. Fill the dark blue color in right side triangle area using the Paint Bucket tool. Click Resize button. It opens Resize and Skew window. Deselect Maintain Aspect Ratio radio button if it is selected or active. Select Pixels radio button. Under Resize, Horizontal. Here we have to give the width size. Let's state the value as 1024 pixels. Vertical. Here we have to give the height size. Let's state the vertical value as 1. Horizontal vertical values should be 0 under skewed decrease. Click OK button. The drawing area minimizes. We can see in the picture. Click Resize button. It opens Resize and Skew window. Deselect Maintain Aspect Ratio button. Select Percentage Radio button. Let's resize. View horizontal value as 100 and vertical value as 500. In skew area, horizontal and vertical values should be 0. Click OK button. On the screen, we can observe increased drawing area a little bit. Again, click the Resize button. Deselect the Maintain Aspect Ratio button. Select Percentage Radio button. Let's resize. View horizontal value as 100 and vertical value as 500. Click OK button. Drawing area increased. Again click the Resize button. Deselect the Maintain Aspect Ratio button. Select Percentage Radio button. View horizontal value as 100 and vertical value as 500. Click OK button. Drawing area increased. We can observe a good looking gradient color mix. Let's resize the image. Press Ctrl E on keyboard or click Properties option. It opens Image Properties window. Pixels radio button should be active. Color radio button should be active. View width value as 1024, height value as 768. Click OK button. We can observe gradient color mix with 1024 by 768 pixels size. Click minus symbol. It leads to zoom out 25%. Click plus symbol. It leads to zoom in 50%. Press plus symbol again. We can see 100% zoom in, full screen.